Unpack and check whether the screws of the equipment are loose. Our equipment is in transit. There may be loose screws. Also clean up the top. If any screws are loose, apply the screws. If you can't find where to put the screw, you can contact us. When the equipment is installed, be sure to adjust these for 4 cups. Our equipment has 4 goblets. To adjust the level of equipment, the equipment should be left 0.8 meters next to the installation location. It is convenient for subsequent maintenance and personnel movement. The equipment is powered on and ventilated. Here's the trachea. This trachea is a 10mm trachea. We plug it directly into the quick plug. Here is the voltage. Voltage is AC 220V, AEC 220 V. If the voltage is between 180 volts and 250 volts, can be used. If this voltage is unstable, a voltage regulator can be added. We plug it directly into the plug. This is our gas. When we turn on the breath, we have a hand pull valve here. Pull directly this way. Check our voltmeter to be around 0.6. If it exceeds 0.6, you can open this. Pull up. Then just walk this way. Then you can turn it off and on again. This is fine. Let the equipment idle before production. Idle for 5 to 10 minutes before going to production. We turn on the power. Directly press this blue-green button to start directly. After booting, our screen will display here. There is an interface in Chinese and English. This is English. This is Chinese. You can switch like this. Then we have this device before production. Don't put any products. We just idle the device. Check if the equipment is normal. We found the 3rd button here. Let's just click the 2nd button to click it down. Turn into a yellow one. Then past this position. We press this position for 5 seconds. This is the emergency stop button. To press for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, we can press this button. You can also press this button. Let's say I press this button. It will work here. Okay, at this time we can do a startup. Of course, here is a pull material. At first you can turn it off. For example, I will close this position first. Then I can click start here. Then this device can work normally. Then let's take a look at its belt here. This belt is 1 space away. This belt goes 5 grades. Then this is to pull the lighter over. That way our equipment can idle. So if you want the device to stop, now. Very simple. Just hit the stop button here. If you start it again next time, no need to operate. Click directly to start the device to start it. Then this completes the idling of our equipment. Of course, our location is a turning function. We can also turn it on here. Let's click stop first. Then turn this position on as well. Take this position and press it down like this. It becomes to open this position as well. But this position is open. We're going to find the turnaround base like this. Put it directly in this way. Put it in and make sure the light is on. Just turn this light into a yellow light. Let's take a look. And if I pull down, it turns green. I push it up and it just turns yellow. Indicate that it is detected. Then we start the device again. Let's take a look. It does the whole thing. In this way, after you let the device work for 5 to 10 minutes, to produce again. Normal production steps. After we connect the electricity, we open the hand pull valve here. Let's move directly here. Check if the air pressure reaches 0.6. Generally, 0.6 to 0.5 is okay. Then we go through here to turn on the power of the device. Press the green button here. Can be opened directly. If you want to turn off the power, just press the red button. Then after production, we're going to put the lighter to put the product. This product is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are 5 colors. Here is the first color, 2 color, the third color, 4th color, the fifth color. Of course, neon lighters only have one color. Doesn't matter. You have to put 5 colors when you produce it. If you need to separate colors, put 5 colors. If you don't need color separation, just put 1 color. The lighter is placed like this. Our wind hood is placed on our right. Just put it down like this. Put it in a row like this. And roll. Then our device has 5 sensors here. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The function of these 5 sensors is mainly, when you have no product for this lighter, it shuts down and will call the police, tell you which one is without a lighter. After this lighter is produced, we're not in a hurry to do anything right now. We're going to start by turning the device around. We open this. Then we open this. This is the production mode, not tune-up mode. Then we're going to turn this off, because we're going to pull all the lighters out now. After 5 lighters in this position, we just turn over the material. At this time, let's click this return of the device. We press this position, click for 4 seconds. After 5 seconds, we will directly click. Button. Its 2 belts will move. At this time, we can officially press the start of the device. We start production. Our lighters are made from here. Take 1 space with the belt here. This is 6 squares. We must first ensure all these lighters are sent here. Don't do anything now. We asked all the lighters to be sent here. Let's take a look at the screen. This screen will tell you, why does it stop here? Let's click Chinese directly. It's no 3 lack of material lighter here. Then this means that this known 3 is out of material. If you go to check, after you check, you can directly click the foot here to clear it. The device will start normally. We must ensure that all these lighters are delivered. Here are 5 lighters. We can just press the stop button. Let's take this lighter away. So this one takes the lighter away. This lighter, at that time, inserted into the disc by hand. Then we will use this small plate in our production. This small plate is directly through this method. Put it in. Just put it in 1 by 1 like this. Because we are deliberately oblique here, to avoid putting it like this. To this, the first step, we need to get a base first. Here we need to put 5 lighters first. Normally we would put 2 rungs. This is the first row. This is the second row. After 2 rungs, we push it this way directly. Just push it into place. Push directly into place. Then you have to check this location. Here, we must open the 3rd one here. Be sure to open it. It's the same if it's in English. These 3 must be blue. It can be produced normally. Come, let's start. Just press start normally. At this time, the device can work normally. If you have 5 colors, it will come out in 5 colors. So now we are 3 colors. Okay, now you want to disable the device. Let's just hit the stop button here. The device can be stopped.